Good evening everybody and welcome to Creatrix channel my dear students. We are back with another video that is going to be very informative for you guys. What is this video about? This video is about one of the most unexplored opportunity after GATE examination, that is called as the FPM from IIM. So FPM is what? It is fellowship program in management that is run by big institutes like Indian Institute of Management IIM, which are quite popular among the students. But somehow people don't have a knowledge about this, that this program requires you to be qualified from GATE examination, and GATE can also give you an opportunity to enter the management domain, not only the technical domain. So that is what in this video I am going to make you aware about this course as well, so that in the future if you plan to give GATE or if you have already given GATE, you can think about this as one of the options for your career. Okay, so let's get started students. Before we start, let me first introduce myself. My name is Ankit Goyal. I got AIR1 twice in GATE in 2014 and 2018. I was awarded President of India Gold Medal in the year 2013 when I graduated from IIT Indore. Till date, I have trained more than 1 lakh students in the online and the offline classes, and I am presently working as a director at an academy for GATE department. Now, many students know all these credentials about me, but what I am proud of personally is the kind of intent that we carry when we are providing you the content. The intention behind this channel is to enable as many students as possible to get top ranks in the examination, to get the content to those people who can't afford coaching institutes fees. They must also get a fair opportunity to crack any exam. They must also get a guidance. And the next thing that I like is, what I personally want is to make the engineers of this country at par with engineers of any other country, and for that they need quality education. And once they get quality education, then only we can expect the students to have any interest in engineering. Nowadays, why the students are losing interest in engineering? Because they don't have good teachers. If they don't have good teachers, we can't expect them to become great engineers. So I want to make the engineers of this country great again. They must be able to compete with any other engineer out there from any other country, and they must not be looking down. They must be looking up. They must be looking ahead. That is what the vision is. Okay. So with that vision in mind, we release free initiatives not only on YouTube but also on Unacademy app. So once you download the Unacademy app, you can access any of our free initiatives simply by unlocking it using the code AnkitESC. Okay, you can unlock it using this code. Other than this, my friend, this is the link where you will find all my Unacademy free classes, bit.ly/AnkitESC. Here, if you go to the upcoming, you will find the classes that I'll be taking in the future, and whatever classes I have taken so far, they will be available in different folders based on what topic is it about. So you can enjoy the classes that I have taken or I'm going to take in the future. Now, coming to the topic, fellowship program in management. Let's understand what this course is about, what it requires, and what you get out of it. So FPM is a 4-year-long course. So remember, it is a doctoral course which requires a 4-year duration. So it is only for those who can dedicate this much time of their career. Doctoral course in various specialization of management. Doctoral is what we call as PhD, kind of PhD. Okay, that is doctorate of philosophy, but doctoral courses are similar to PhD, not exactly PhD. Like, it is considered as an ideal degree who want to pursue managerial roles or pursue an academic career in the future. If you want to have a managerial role in any industry, or you want to have a academic future in management, that is, you want to get into the academics of management like teaching, so that is an ideal course. Now, here you specialize in information system, business policy, HR management, innovation and management in education, strategy. All these specializations are being offered by this FPM course. So it is divided into 3 modules which contain compulsory and elective courses. Just like in your BTech, you have some courses which are compulsory you have to do and some which you can choose from. A student is allowed to apply and study only 2 areas of specialization at a time. Okay, that is, these are the areas of specialization. You can choose any 2 out of these, not more than 2. Now, it is a completely full-time residential course. Residential course as in, you have to be staying inside IIM. You can't do it on a part-time basis. That is, you can't be a day scholar. You have to be present there. Okay. Now, what are some key points about FPM? It is a doctoral program. FPM, 4 years. You need graduation or post-graduation. Basically, not exactly post-graduation directly. Even graduates can apply. Okay. Now, admission is offered on the basis of entrance exam. What all entrance exams are expected? GATE, CAT, GMAT, GRE, UGC, RAT, ZAT, IAMB. All these entrance examinations are considered as valid when you are applying for a FPM course. So you need to have score in any of these examinations, and then it will be your choice which score you want to use. Suppose a student gives GATE as well as CAT. Now it is their choice whether they want to apply for FPM through GATE or through CAT. So GATE is also one of the exams that is accepted here. Now, what is the average fees for IIM Ahmedabad? It is 10 lakh, IIM Bangalore 13, IIM Kolkata 13, IIM Lucknow 12, IIM Indore is 10. Okay, monthly stipend that you are going to get is 32,800, 35,000, 30,000, 25,000, 27,000. Okay, so that is what you get. Also, what you get is the boarding facility. Basically, they will provide you the stay, but your food you have to arrange yourself. So that is what I read some time back, that they will provide you the location, they will provide you the residence, but you have to get your food arranged. But you can check if those terms have changed. They will be easily available on any of these IIM website. Okay. Now, what is the eligibility? Either you need to have postgraduate degree in any stream including MA, MSc, MCom, MCA, MTech with 55% aggregate either. Okay. Or CA, ICWA, CS, MBBS or LLB, or you need to have engineering degree of BTech or BE with 60% marks or 6.5 CGPA. That is the cutoff. So all these people from various streams can apply for FPM. It's not restricted to engineers. It's not restricted to the people of management. So CA, CS, even medical professionals can go for this course. So what is the FPM admission process? So you need to create a login ID and password and then fill the official online application form. So you need to visit the website of that particular IIM. Like if you want to apply for IIM Ahmedabad, you have to go to their website and you have to fill the form for FPM. Okay, here you have to fill the personal detail, educational detail, work experience, your exam score, okay, along with registration number. That is, suppose you appeared for GATE 2021. So not only you will be filling your score, but you will also fill your GATE 2021 registration number so that they can verify your score. Okay. And you have to upload whatever documents they ask. You need to pay the required application fees. Okay. Now this is for the last year. Candidates will be shortlisted and called for an interview. This was for last year, March and April 2020. So that is generally the cycle every year where you will be called for interview based on the shortlisting after you have applied. Okay. Now, final selection on the basis of performance of CAT or standard test in lieu of CAT, academic background and experience. So, 3 things will be checked. If you are an experienced professional, you are more valuable to any management course, as I told in my previous video about NITI as well. Management courses value experience very, very much. So, if you are an experienced professional, you will definitely stand ahead of your competition. The second thing they check is your academic background in order to know how hardworking, how a dedicated student you are. The third thing is your exam score such as CAT score or GATE score. Then what are the top recruiting companies like Accenture, Genpact, Infosys, ITC Infotech, Sterlite, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Bank of America, Citibank, PwC, Reliance Foundation. These are some of the top recruiting agencies from IAM FPM program. So don't think that by doing a doctoral program in management, you can only get into teaching. No. There are various industries that are looking to hire for managerial roles in the higher level management, and they need people who have been trained by experts through a college like IAM. So what IAM guarantees? IAM guarantees that you will be in contact with the people at the topmost positions in the industry. So you will be getting best of the knowledge, best of the experience, and that is why you become so much valuable for these companies. Now this is the average package for IAM Ahmedabad. The highest salary is 24.54 lakhs per annum. Minimum is 11. For Xavier, average is 5.5, maximum is 24. For Indian School of Business, ISB, average is 8 and maximum is 22.14. Okay, so that is the kind of salaries you can expect when you qualify through this FPM program. And you will be supported through this FPM program by the stipend that they provide. So you can think about being independent through this course and at the same time going for a higher studies. Okay, because it is very, very necessary. I understand your concern that when you go for higher studies, you don't want to be dependent on your parents. You want to be independent. So when you go for a doctoral course like PhD or even FPM, in that case, the stipend can cover your basic expenses and you can be independent of your family. And in that case, you can do whatever you want with your life. You can dedicate the next few years for higher studies so that you have better career prospects. Okay. So what is the FPM specialization? First is the decision sciences. It is concerned with the application of quantitative methods and IT to business problem. Research is conducted in developing new methodologies for specific problem. The best part is that here you get actual problems that are being faced by the industries and you will be working on solving them. Now understand how big of an impact you can make if you can solve an actually existing problem for a certain industry, how impressive that would be and how valuable would that be. So you will get specific problems from the industries and you have to figure out the solution based on quantitative methods, IT. Okay, the next is economics and social science. So here you will be dealing with international trade, monetary economics, labor economics, game theory, migration and other related concepts. So that means here you can think of becoming something who can deal with international economics. See, economics is itself a very, very valuable field for the country, because if you are really extremely good at economics, then you can represent your country in your international trade affairs, world affairs. That kind of aspiration you can carry when you graduate from this course. Okay. The next is entrepreneurship. Definitely one of the best thing you can do in your life is have a startup. Because if you do a startup, you are not only supporting yourself, but you are supporting the families of many other who work as employees in your company. And that thing only can bring a change in the country and can take our country forward. Rather than being just sitting at our home and asking for jobs, why don't we go out and create the jobs ourselves? So that is what entrepreneurship will offer you. So it research that spans a wide range of theoretical perspective in entrepreneurship, research method and tool, and specific topic covering different contexts in which entrepreneurship phenomena is observed and practiced. So here you will learn about entrepreneurship, what are the processes involved, what are the things that you should know, how you should go about it. So definitely this is also a great research area to go after. Next is finance and accounting. Now I don't think there is anybody who doesn't know about this field, because finance and accounting is very, very essential for any industry whatsoever. Okay, because every industry will have a finance department, they will have an accounting department, and through this course you might be heading that department for some very, very prominent business or industry. Okay, so here you will have asset pricing, financial management, financial reporting. All these things you are going to learn among the other things. Marketing. Okay, from here you will focus on B2B marketing, customer behavior, retailing, sales, distribution, management, etc. Now people who graduate from this, say, if there is any company who is building a product, okay, you can take any company in edtech sector, e-commerce, anything. They will always need to market their product in order to reach the consumer. So definitely, if you have this skill of marketing, you can be heading such a department for such a big industry where you can understand how customer behaves, how you can pitch your product to different businesses. All these things you can do once you get into this domain. Okay. So these are the domains offered in FPMC. But there is no central application portal. You have to decide the college you want to go after. You have to apply on their official website and they will call you. But remember, this is one of the most unexplored options. So getting into FPM is not such a tedious task or not such a difficult task. Why students generally don't prefer it or don't go after it? Because dedicating 4 years of your life to a course is kind of difficult once you have graduated. Many people don't have that kind of a bandwidth. But if you can do that, then definitely you can go after this course because there are a lot of opportunities after this. And if you really want to grow in your life, if you really want to get into the managerial roles, the management sector, then definitely you should try something like this. This won't require any additional preparation because anyhow you are preparing your technical subjects when you are preparing for your college exams. So you can crack GATE with those technical subjects. You don't need any additional preparation as such. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. So what I would like to tell you at the end, guys, you can become a member of Unacademy Plus where all the top educators are providing you live classes in the form of comprehensive and crash course. And not only they provide you live class, they provide you daily assignment, weekly test, test series, question bank, and all your doubts are cleared. Now, Unacademy is a single platform that will prepare you for GATE, engineering services, PSU examination, and state PSC examination. All these exams you can cover when you go for Plus. Okay, under just one umbrella, you don't need to pay anything extra for any exam whatsoever. Other than that, you can go after Iconic as well, where all the Plus benefits will be there, along with a personal coach who himself will be a GATE and ESE topper. He will create a study planner for you and guide you how you need to study. Teachers will conduct study booster session, guide you, motivate you, inspire you, how you need to go about the preparation. You will get personalized test analysis done, telling you what is your strengths and what is your weakness. You will get extra study material. And my dear, there will be a dedicated team dedicated to solving your doubts on an immediate basis. So if you use the code Ankit ESE here, you will get this course at 10% discount and you can prepare for your upcoming exams under my personal guidance if you use the code Ankit ESE. Then my friend, these are the new batches that have started on the platform for RSEB, UPRVUNL and State AE. So these are the PSU and the State PSC batches that we have recently started, and new batches for GATE will be starting from 26th of May. So use code Ankit ESE for 10% discount and my personal guidance. Then my friend, with Ankit ESE your 1 year fees would be 27,225 for Plus, 34,650 for Plus 18 months, and 2 years 39,600. I would personally recommend that you go after 2 years because there are multiple exams that you can cover and you will have a better chance of cracking it. And this duration will offer you the minimum per month cost. Secondly, you can pay this amount in 12 equal installment. Don't think about 24, you have to pay in 12. And these installments you can even avail on your debit card. You don't need to possess a credit card. With Iconic, with Ankit ESE, 1 year fees would become 45,225 and 2 year will be 66,600. In Iconic, definitely you will have a personal coach to guide you, mentor you, study material, test analysis. So that will give you a better support system in order to make an average student into a topper. Because what an average student needs extra, they need a kind of an additional support, a bit of hand holding to motivate you through their journey. Okay, now this is my Unacademy profile where you can follow me, send me messages in case you have any query related to anything whatsoever. And this is my Telegram channel where I keep notifying the students about my upcoming classes, as well as I provide study material on this channel. So just type this link in your browser, you will be redirected to Telegram app. and you can join my channel. Here you will get study material and regular notification related to any new batches, any new courses starting, any new free lectures that I am providing on a daily basis. So thank you everybody. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to share it with all your friends so that they can also know what are the opportunities after GATE, and soon I'll be back with another such video. Till then, keep rocking, keep learning, and let's crack it.